Good day everyone, Quinn here back again with another tutorial. This time I'm going to show you how to set up a forward and reverse lookup zones. The process is very simple and to the point, so let's get right to it. For the purpose of the video, I thought I would start off in Server Manager just to make the process move a little bit faster. So let's start the simple process by going to Tools and selecting DNS. In the DNS, you'll see you'll be greeted with the Server 2012. That is what the server we've been utilizing for the longest while. And in it, once you click it, you will see we have these two zones, the forward lookup zone and the reverse lookup zone. These are going to be the two primary things that we're going to be utilizing in this video. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up our forward lookup zone. As you can see, we already have the Active Directory running inside with the Server 2012 and everything. So we don't have that part sorted. So what you're going to do first is you're going to right click on forward lookup zone and you're going to select new zone. From here, it's going to greet you with the new zone wizard setup. So you're going to start the process. So you click next. It's going to tell you to select a type of zone that you want to create. We are going to utilize the primary zone, which creates a copy of a zone that can be updated directly on the server. So you're going to use that, as well as you're going to leave the box tick that says store the zone in the Active Directory. Because you already have one available, you can just store it in there one time. So you select next. And here it's going to show us that all the DNS servers can run on the domain control with the domain server2012.com, because that's the server that we've been utilizing. So we select next again, and we're going to give it a zone name. The zone name I'm going to give it is zone001.com. Simple. Next, we are going to turn off dynamic updates, whereas we will just allow ourselves to update the records manually. So you're going to turn that off and you're going to select next. And now we are finished. Now that we are finished and we have our zone001.com, we open it and we go in, we right click and we select new host. From here, we have to give it a name in particular, and just a very simple name. So the name we're going to give it is 2K12. And you can see at the bottom, it's going to give it its fully qualified domain name of 2K12.zone001.com. And we're going to give it a simple IP address of the same one we've been utilizing before, 192.168.0.26. Here we have our host, so we can just add it one time. So let's add the host. And our host has been successfully created. So let me show you what that does. So what you're going to do now is, just for me to show you, I'm going to go into start, and I'm going to click the command prompt. Open it up here. And what you're going to do is you're going to type in NS lookup, and I'm going to type in the name that I just gave it, which was 2K12.zone001.com. And it's going to show the name of it is in fact 2K12.zone001.com and the address of 192.168.0.20.20. Basically, what the NS lookup does is on the forward side is that once you give it its name, it's going to in fact show you the name and address that's linked to the IP. So it goes together as one. But if you do the reverse now and try to type up the IP, you're not going to get the name unless you do the reverse zone lookup, which is what we're going to do. Or reverse lookup zone, which is what we're going to do now. So you can close this for now. We go into the reverse lookup zone and we have to add a new zone. So new zone, start the process again. Same thing as before. Click next. Next, we're going to do the IP version 4 reverse lookup zone. And we're going to give it the first three numbers of the network ID, which is 192.168.0. Click next. We turn off the dynamic updates again. Next, and now we're finished. So we open it here, we right click, and we give it a new pointer. And it has the host IP, we had to give it the host name. So the host name, we go into server 2012 forward lookup zone001.com 2K12. Select this, it gives us the host IP, everything is there, and we press OK, and now we have our pointer. And if you do the same thing again with the command prompt, and this time if we search up the NS lookup and we put the 192.168.0.20, we get our name and zone here as well, name and address. And for one more added piece, I'm going to show you this as well, to show you that the DNS would now be seen on the other clientele as well. We can go to the clientele. Let's say we go to the Windows 7, press start, command, and do the same thing. And let's look up, and we search for the 2K12.zone001.com. Instantly, it shows us the server name, the address, and the name and the address. So we have everything set up in terms of the DNS. So that's basically it for the video. Like I said, it's a very simple process to do, so I hope it was informative, and I do hope it helps you understand the process. That's it for this video. I hope to see you again very soon. Take care.